So a couple weeks ago, ZLPOWER reached out to me and wanted to send me one of their inverters that is comparable to the 12,000 watt Growatt low frequency, except this is about 10 years old and this is brand new technology. This has Wi-Fi and everything else on it. So we're going to do an unboxing video today on this, and we're going to be setting this up. It's going to be a little while because I pretty much almost ripped my toenail off there on my big toe. So it's going to be a little while before I can actually get this on a lift, scissor jack and that to lift up. But we're going to do a video for unboxing today. And let's open this thing up. All right, this thing has to ship freight. It's 168 pounds just for the inverter. So there's no way you can have this shipped UPS, FedEx, or DHL. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. And when we open this thing up, we have our hybrid solar inverter here. Looks like the user manual, and take that out. So it's the GS, I think III 3-12 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter. So quality certification there. And this looks like it's going to be the Wi-Fi module for that. Yeah, it is. It looks like the Growatt Wi-Fi module. So that's our Wi-Fi module, and we'll be using that scan code there when we go to connect that. So you get one of those with that. And then these are your battery connectors, and those go right here. Pretty much look the same on that. That has some nice beefy padding on there. Well, I like the fact they don't have it on here because it's hard to get this thing out. It weighs 168 pounds, so that's a little tough trying to get that out. That is a beast. If you look at that and look at that, this is bigger than that. So that is just insane. I don't know if I can actually lift this out of the box with my toe the way it is right now, but we'll take a look at trying that. And it's bolted down. So anyways, that's pretty much as far as we're going to get today. It's bolted down right here, and that's on a crate that they deliver that on. So it is excellent padding on this, and you can see over here, you can see right there was some damage. It looks like probably from the pallet jack or something, or a box. There's no damage on this side, and there's no damage on the actual product. It's just that the cardboard was damaged. But when that was in there, you can see that it's very well protected. That's like 2-inch padding on that. All right, so there it is. This will be the one video of this. And when we get that unboxed in a couple of days and pulled out of there, we'll be able to look at the bottom here. And actually, just looking at this, it looks extremely comparable to that. So going to disconnect that and connect this should be extremely easy. Now we have the looks like the same buttons on the bottom here, but there's a bunch more lights up here. This has a lot more features on it than the Growatt. That's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.